Hey everybody, so this is our Mod 2 quiz corrections video. Looking through the scores, the two problems we missed the most was number 7 and number 9. So I'm going to go through those really quick and then wrap up this quiz corrections video. So starting off, we have number 7, which was this word problem based off of this equation for absolute value. Now, this was a little tricky because the word problem's asking for specific things, but basically the number we had on the inside of our absolute value, that's the first box. And then the number we had on the outside, that's basically the error. Either I could be 2 above it or 2 below it. So it could be as many as 2 extra or 2 fewer than what we had in the bag. What you had in the bag was the number inside absolute value. The what it equals, that's your error, so that's the above and below. So there's number 7. Let's try number 9. For number 9, it was this graph, and we were looking at the characteristics of this equation here by thinking about domain and range, thinking about which way it opens, our vertex, and stuff like that. So domain of absolute value, very simple, because it's every single number. So we're talking negative infinity to positive infinity. That's because it continues in both directions. Now, the range is where the y values are. The absolute values have a vertex point. That vertex point is basically where it's shifted. In this problem, I'm shifted with that -4 inside. So that means I'm 4 to the right, so positive 4. And then it's +2 on the outside, which means I shifted up 2. So that's a positive 2 shift, which tells us that we should have a vertex at 4, 2. So with that vertex, I know the y value of that vertex is 2. So I want to be at 2 and above because the function starts at 2 and it opens up. The vertex, like we just saw, 4, 2, because that's our shifts given in the problem. I hope that helps you. Please watch the video, get some quiz correction points, help out that grade. All right, we'll talk to you.